If you are looking for a way to create a banking website that has a cryptocurrency funding option, so this video you are going to be learning how to do that. So this particular script has a lot of features. You can even see a virtual card and also loan finances, like, which means that someone can easily apply for loan for this particular script. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do that. But if I get started, if you're new to my channel, please kindly do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, that anytime I release a new video like this, you're able to get a notification for that. So the first thing we need to do first, we need to get our hosting account. So get your hosting account, your domain name ready. So once everything is ready, then we need to upload this script. So for you to get this script, check the link in the description. You'll be getting this script. So now we need to upload the scripts. I've uploaded the script. This is the script that you are seeing right here on my screen. So now we need to extract this script. By extracting that, you just need to right click and you click on the extract option, then we extract. So now we just need to wait for a couple of minutes. So once it's done extracting, all we need to do, we just need to close this and just need to close this page. So let's go to this folder and move all these files to our main domain. So just need to click on move. So click on the move option, then we move it to the main domain name that we want to use. I want to move it to this domain name, then click on enter. So all the file has been moved to the main domain. So now the next step we need to do, we need to create our database, right? So that we can just connect our database to this script for this script to work. By doing that, we need to go to the database option, download the database file. So once we are done downloading, we need to database user. So let me just finish downloading this stuff. So now once we are done downloading, we need to go back and go to our main PHP, which is our cPanel, our control panel option. Then let's search for let me say MySQL, which is manage my database. So let's just scroll down. Then you see database, this database management. So you just need to click on it. So once you click on it, we need to create a database. So you can just say create new database. So I'm just going to be using bank as my database name. Then we click on create. Then we wait for it. All right. So once we click on it, then we just need to go back again. We need to create a user for this. So we need to create a user. You just need to go back. Then we create a user. So you need to come to the site. You see database user, add new user. Then we I'm just going to be using bank, same bank. Then we click on password generator, we copy the password. So just copy it on my clipboard, then check and I have copied this password on the safe place. Then click on use password. Then we click on create user. Just click on it. Wait. All right, so now we need to go back and add the user to the database. So we need to add the database to the user. Then by doing that, you need to scroll down till you see add user to database. Then we select the database and the user, which is the bank. Yeah. And the second one is the bank also. Then we click on add. Yeah. So you can just select your own. So you can use different name that you want, but I'm using bank because I'm creating a banking website. So you can just use anything. So once we are done, we just need to click on all privileges. So this is our database name and user. Then we need to check this all privileges option, check it. Then we need to scroll down. So we need to scroll down to this. So I'm just copying this database user and the database. So just copying this. I'm just going to copy one only because the database name and the user, they are same thing, which is bank. So I don't need to copy the each. So I just need to copy only one. Then I come to this make changes, click on it after you have select all privileges. So click on make changes. So now the next step we need to do, we need to upload our database file. By doing that, we need to locate our PHP my admin. So it locates PHP my admin. So this is it here. Click on it. We need to click on it. All right. So let's wait for it to load. It's loading, it's loading. So once it's done loading, we just need to select the database that we uploaded it. Now, which is bank, database that we created, sorry, which is bank. Then we are going to be uploading it. So we need to go to the upload section, which is import. So come to the import section of this interface. So come to the import section. click on import, then we select our file. Come to this file selector, so we can just select the file. So we have selected the file, then all right, then scroll down to you say import. Then we import it. Just need to give it some minutes for it to import. So bear this in mind that this script will work with PHP. If we want everything to work well, just use PHP 4.7.4. So it's going to be working fine. So now we have done importing it. Still, the next step, we need to connect our database to this script so that everything can be able to work fine. So we need to connect it. So by doing that, we need to come back to our file manager. So let's locate where we uploaded our script. So we need to come back to our file manager. We click on my account folder. Click on my account folder. Then you just need to wait some time for it to load. Then we come to scripts. So we click on scripts. Then we come to connect.php. So this option connect.php. Then you just need to right click and edit. You just click on edit. All right. So now we need to upload our credentials here now by changing the database name, database user, and the password. So let me just quickly do that here. Let me just change the database name and the password also. You just need to be careful with it. So make sure that you upload everything. So this is the password that is on my clipboard. Then I save changes. All right, so I think we are done all this stuff now. So now let's refresh our page. It's going to load. All right, so it's now we are done. So we just need to type in this two-factor authentication, 54069, then click on verify. All right. So anytime that each user wants to access this site, they need to verify it. So they just need this is just the security of this script. So you can see this is a very nice banking script. Like this is one of the best banking scripts you can get so far. So you can just click on access my account to create your account. So you just need to click on a row for new accounts. So once you click on this, you just need to accept terms and conditions. So in this page, you just need to just fill in your details or information and all that. Then your account will be created successfully. Once your account is created, they are going to be sending your info in your inbox, which is your email. So just make sure that you set your SMTP correctly so that it can be able to send emails, emails out to your user. So we can just easily log into your admin panel by just typing this like your domain name slash account, then admin slash login. So you are going to be getting access to your admin panel, which is on the place you just need to log in as an admin. So now you just need to log in as an admin. Password is 123456. Then the email. Let's go to our database and check the email. So let me just go to our database and user. So we are going to be seeing the email there. So user, then the email. All right. So this is the email. Just copy the email. Then we go back. Then paste the email. You can just paste it here. Then continue. All right, so let's wait for it to load. All right, so this is the dashboard on the admin backend. So in this side, you can manage anything here. You can change anything, both the email, everything. So this is where you just need to manage every stuff on this particular script as an admin. So even though the crypto funding and everything, so you can just update your wallet. You can come to the side and update your wallet, put in your wallet info here, then you are good to go. So please, if you want to know more about the scripts, message me. Just check the link in the description and then message me. But if you also want to get the scripts, check the link on the description. The scripts calls for 50,000 naira for you to get the scripts. So just check the link in the description to purchase these scripts. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. That's anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. So see you in my next video, and thanks for watching.